Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Claire, your nature lover. In this vlog, I am going to share with you the beauty of my hometown, Catanduanes. Welcome to the happy island of Catanduanes. Catanduanes is a province located in the Bicol Region of the Philippines. It is composed of several islands. It is known for its stunning beaches, lush green landscapes, and rich culture. Here are the best trips if you are planning to visit the Happy Island. From Manila, you can take a provincial bus going to Tabaco Port, and from Tabaco Port, you can take a ferry to take you to the island. Or you can book a plane to take you directly to the main town of the island. In this vlog, we will delve into the beauty of nature and explore the wonders of our planet. From the smallest creature to the largest landscape, we will discover the natural world and learn more about the amazing biodiversity of our planet. Whether you're an avid nature enthusiast or just starting to explore the wonders of the world around you, this vlog is for you. So let's embark on a journey of discovery and exploration and let nature guide us along the way.
Moving to our main topic. Here are the best nature landscape you can find in Catanduanes. You can also consider as one of your travel destinations on your bucket list. Puraran Beach is a popular surfing destination located on the northeastern coast of the island of Catanduanes in the Philippines. The beach is known for its majestic waves that attract surfers from all over the world. Once you arrive at Puraran Beach, you'll be greeted by a stunning view of the Pacific Ocean. The beach is surrounded by lush greenery, and the waters are crystal clear. The waves at Puraran Beach are legendary among surfers, and the beach is often referred to as the majestic surfing capital of the Philippines. Aside from surfing, visitors to Puraran Beach can also enjoy other activities such as swimming, snorkeling, and island hopping. The beach is also a great place to relax and unwind, with its peaceful atmosphere and stunning natural scenery. Maribina Falls is a beautiful natural attraction that is surrounded by lush greenery and towering trees, making it a popular destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers. To get to Maribina Falls, visitors can take a tricycle or a private vehicle from the town proper to the falls. Once you arrive at Maribina Falls, you'll be greeted by the sight of the cascading waters and the sound of the flowing water. The falls features multiple tiers, and visitors can explore each level by climbing the rocks and following the trail. The water is cool and refreshing, perfect for swimming and relaxing after the trek. Binurong Point is a picturesque promontory. It is an unknown tourist spot that has been gaining attention in recent years because of its stunning views and pristine natural beauty. Today, the area has been transformed into a popular hiking and camping destination. To reach Binurong Point, visitors must trek for approximately 2 hours through a trail that winds through rolling hills and lush forest. At the end of the trail, visitors will be rewarded with a breathtaking view of the Pacific Ocean. The promontory juts out into the sea, offering panoramic views of the coastline. The clear turquoise waters below are perfect for swimming, snorkeling, and diving, and visitors can also explore the nearby rock formations and caves. Despite its growing popularity, Binurong Point remains relatively untouched by commercial development. There are no resorts or hotels in the area, and visitors must bring their own camping equipment and provisions. This adds to the charm of the place, and many visitors appreciate the opportunity to disconnect from the hustle and bustle of modern life and enjoy the peace and quiet of the natural surroundings. A must-visit destination for anyone looking to explore the natural beauty of the Philippines. Its stunning views, tranquil atmosphere, and unspoiled wilderness make it a perfect spot for hiking, camping, and relaxation. Twin Rock Beach is a beautiful destination located in Catanduanes. It is known for its crystal clear waters, white sand beaches, and stunning rock formations. Twin Rock Beach is situated in the town of Varac, the capital of Catanduanes. The beach got its name from the two towering rock formations that rise out of the water just off the shore. These rocks provide an iconic backdrop for photos and a popular spot for visitors to take a dip in the sea. One of the best things about Twin Rock Beach is that it is relatively undiscovered, so visitors can enjoy a peaceful and quiet atmosphere away from the crowds. The beach is surrounded by lush greenery, and there are a variety of trees and plants that provide shade. Aside from swimming and lounging on the beach, visitors can also explore the rock formations, which are home to a variety of marine life such as sea urchins, starfish, and small fish. Snorkeling is a popular activity in the area. Twin Rock Beach is a hidden gem that offers visitors a chance to experience the natural beauty of the Philippines in a peaceful and quiet atmosphere. Whether you want to swim, snorkel, or simply relax on the beach, Twin Rock Beach is definitely worth a visit. The Bote Lighthouse, also known as the Bote Lighthouse, is a historic lighthouse. It is situated on a rocky promontory overlooking the Pacific Ocean, providing stunning views of the surrounding coastline. The Bote Lighthouse was built in 1893 by the Spanish government during their colonial rule of the Philippines. It was originally constructed as a wooden tower, but was later replaced with a concrete tower in 1930. The lighthouse stands at a height of 9 meters and has a focal plane of 47 meters above sea level. Its light can be seen from a distance of up to 22 nautical miles, making it an important navigational aid for ships and boats in the region. Over the years, the Bote Lighthouse has been well preserved and has become a popular tourist attraction in Catanduanes. Visitors can climb to the top of the lighthouse and enjoy panoramic views of the surrounding area, including the rugged coastline, the Pacific Ocean, and the nearby islands. The Bote Lighthouse is an important historical and cultural landmark in Catanduanes, and a must-visit destination for anyone interested in the region's history, natural beauty, and maritime heritage. Those are some of the beautiful landscapes in Catanduanes and recommended for your next travel destinations. And before I end this vlog, let me give one trivia for Catanduanes. Catanduanes is known as the land of howling winds because it is frequently battered by strong winds and typhoons. Located in the Bicol Region of the Philippines, Catanduanes is an island province that faces the Pacific Ocean, making it susceptible to typhoons that originate from the ocean. The province's geographical location makes it a natural barrier to the typhoons that hit the eastern seaboard of the Philippines. Due to the frequency and intensity of these typhoons, the province has become known as the land of howling winds. However, despite the challenges that come with living in such an environment, the people of Catanduanes have learned to adapt and have developed resilience in the face of adversity. And that's why we also known as the Happy Island.
Thank you so much for watching. The beauty and wonder of natural world never cease to amaze me. I hope that this vlog has inspired you to explore the outdoors and appreciate the incredible biodiversity that surrounds us. Remember to always tread lightly, leave no trace, do your part to protect our planet for the future generations. Until next time, keep exploring and keep discovering the magic of nature. This is Claire Nature Lover. See you on my next vlog. Annyeong!